Welcome to the S3 Spoken Lecture Part 2. In this lecture, we are going to host a website on our S3 bucket. And this is going to be a static website. So first, we have to create an S3 bucket. So let's move to S3. It's a storage on AWS to store data. So let's create a bucket. Bucket's name 1, 2, 3. Come down, scroll down. Bucket versioning, bucket key enable, advanced setting, and you click on create bucket. In this lecture, we are going to create 2 buckets, and one is going to be for the logs of the website. So I have to create another bucket, give a name, logs site. We leave everything default and we click create bucket. Okay, now we have 2 buckets on our AWS account. So we have to download any of the static website. So let's open the toothplates.com. Here we can have templates of static website. We scroll down, scroll down, and we click on downloads here. It's been downloaded. It's on the download folder. So let's move to the download folder. I'm on my download folder. So we have to extract the file. So we click on extract all, location. So let's put our extracted file in our desktop, and I click upload. So I click on extract. So the file is going to be extracted and it's going to be located in our desktop. We have extracted our file. It's on our desktop. So let's go back to our bucket. We click on our bucket and we click on download, upload tab, because we have to upload our static website into our S3 bucket. We copy everything and send to our S3 bucket. Now we have to upload all the files from the static website. So we click on upload and we wait for some seconds. As you can see, it's showing success. So we have to go back to our our S3 bucket. You can see the files in our S3 bucket. But there are some permissions we have to put on the bucket. So we have to go to properties, bucket versioning. So we have to click on edit. So we have to enable the bucket versioning. We have to save the changes. So we scroll down, tags. We leave it default. We scroll down, default as description, server access login. So we have to click on server access login and we have to put enable. Now, remember we created two S3 buckets. So this server access login will enable you to know those who are having access to the website, where they are having access to the website. So the other S3 bucket we created is going to act as a log which you can use to identify those who access your website. So we're going to use it. This is the bucket name. So choose destination. So log object key format. This is how we want it to appear. The year, the month, and the day. So we click on save changes. Now, event notification. It is necessary to have an event notification. Okay, we scroll down. Come on, move on static website hosting. Click on edit. You click on enable. Now, index document. Specify the home or default page of the website. So the home or the default page of the website is index.html. Index.html. Error document, we don't have any, so it's optional. So we just have to put error.html. And you click save changes. Now, we can now copy our static website and check. So let me copy the website, but it's not going to work because there are some options we still need to enable. You can see the URL is showing 403 forbidden. So let's go back to our S3 bucket. Go back to our bucket. That's our bucket. We click on permissions. There are some permissions we have to give. Bucket public access. Let's click on edit. Allowed buckets block all public access. So when we have to uncheck this button for the bucket to be seen public, and we click save, and they say we should enter confirm and confirm it. That is the bucket policy. It's on JSON format. It's having permission of a bucket. Click on save. Everything is there. Object ownership. So we have to put ACL enable. So we click on ACL enable, acknowledge, and we click on object writer, acknowledge, and we click on save. Click on metrics. For now, we don't have any metrics. Click on metadata. Nothing is there. Click on object. Now we have to click on every folder on our S3 bucket, goes to action, and make public using ACL. Click on it. I will say save, make, and we say make public. So it's retrieving all the folders. Okay, now we have to check if our static website is running. So let's go back to our bucket, S3 bucket. Bucket name. Let's go to properties. Let's scroll down. Let's copy the URL. Copy this one and paste it and check if it's running. Wow, so you can see we have successfully uploaded our static website on S3 bucket and the website is live running. So we've come to the end of this lecture. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.